For today's video, your assignment is kind of a review of what we learned this week about place value. So I thought that it would be a great day to just review what we've done. So we're going to play a Jeopardy game. And if I go too fast, like if I'm ready to give the answer before you know what the answer is, just pause the video and don't go on until you know what the answer is. Keep track of your own points, and when we're done, email me how many points you got. Next week, we will start reviewing decimal place value. So make sure you have some paper ready, or if you have a whiteboard at home or something to write on so you can write down your answers. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. So here's our Jeopardy game. I'm just going to kind of randomly pick the categories. The create a number comparing and patterns isn't necessarily right on what we've talked about with place value this week, but it goes right along with it. I'm going to just start with comparing for 300 points. What would be 2,000 more than 31,597? 2,000 more than that. Give you a second to think. The answer is 33,597. So notice this is the value of this number goes to the thousands place. So you want to find the thousands place in this number, which is this one right here, and add the 2,000 onto that to get up to 33,000. So if you got that correct, give yourself 300 points. Let's go here to patterns. What number would come next in this pattern? We have 17,952, 17,852, blank, and then 17,652. So pay close attention to which place value is changing here. Okay, and the answer is 17,752. So in each number, the place value that changed was the hundreds digit, went down by 1 each time. So you got that correct. Give yourself 300 points. Let's go here next. Names for 400. What place is to the left of the 10,000s place? So if you have a number, what place is directly to the left of the 10,000s place? The answer is the 100,000s place. So that one was worth 400. Complete this pattern. 15,481, 16,481, blank, and then 18,481. So take a look at which place is changing there. The answer is 17,481. So you'll see the thousands place, 1,000s place is the place that's changing, going by up by 1,000 each time. Write this as a standard number. So this is word form, so write it in standard form. 18,532. Make sure you have your commas in the correct place. 18,532. The answer is 18,000, comma, separating the place values here, 532. Let's go back. Here. write 19,401 in expanded form. Write 19,401 in expanded form. I'll give you a minute to do that here. Okay, and the answer is 10,000 plus 9,000 plus 400 plus 1. Notice, in the expanded form, there is nothing in the tens place, and I bet you can probably say why that is. It's okay to put plus 0 there, or to just leave it out when you have a 0 in that place value. Okay, so that was worth 400 points. Let's go here. Create the largest number that you can with the numbers 2, 4, 0, 6, and 9. What is the largest number you can make with those numbers? And remember, if I'm going too fast for you, just pause the video. I don't want to make people wait longer than they need to, but you can easily pause the video before I give the answer. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the answer for this one. The greatest number you could make with those digits is 96,420. If you'll notice, starting in the 10,000s place, it's just the largest number to the smallest number, and that's going to give you the biggest number you can make. Go here, names. This place is to the right of the 10,000s place. So what place is to the right of the 10,000s place? That would be the thousands place, to the right. That was worth 500. Okay, so we have those same numbers again, 2, 4, 0, 6, and 9. And you are to create a number that has a 2 in the thousands place and a 0 in the hundreds place. 2 in the thousands place and 0 in the hundreds place. Okay, let's see what we have here. Of course, there's a couple of different options you can use here. Whatever your number is, your 0 needs to be right here in the hundreds place, and the 2 has to be here in the thousands place. So the 6, the 4, and the 9 might be in different places. So one example would be 42,069. Okay, let's go here to comparing. Compare 23,745 and 93,745. Okay, so basically, which one is larger, greater than, less than? And the answer is 23,745 is less than 93,745. That's worth 200 points. Let's go here. What rule is followed here? So how are these numbers changing? 15,481, 16,481, 17,481, 18,481. So which place value is changing and by how much? The answer is add 1,000. So the thousands place goes up by 1,000. Let's go back to names. What is the place to the right of the thousands place? So if you're looking at a number on a paper in front of you, what is the place to the right of the thousands place? Okay. What is the hundreds place? Let's go here to comparing. What would be 30,000 less than 95,346? What would be 30,000 less than that? The answer is 65,346. So 30,000, the 3 is in the 10,000s place. So we're going to find the 10,000s place here and make it 3 less. Okay, let's go down. Create a number for 500. Write a number that has a 9 in the ones place and a 6 in the 10,000s place. So of course, there's a lot of different variations here. Whatever your number is, you need to have the 6 here, and then another digit, and then your comma, and then a digit in the hundreds place, tens place, and a 9 in the ones place. And that's worth 500 points. Let's go here. Write this number in word form. 102,801. 102,801. So here it is in word form, written out in words. Notice there's still a comma here. That comma is still present. So 102,801. Let's go to create a number. Use these same digits to make the greatest even number that you can. The greatest even number. Okay. It's going to be the same thing as it was to make the greatest number that you could because that number was already even. 96,420. We know it's even because it ends with an even number of 0. Okay, that's worth 200 points. Let's go over here to patterns. What is the rule that's being followed to make this pattern? 10,345, 15,345, 20,345, 25,345. So which place is changing each time and by how much? Okay, the rule is adding 5,000. So the thousands place is going up by 5,000 each time. That's worth 500 points. Let's go here. What is the place to the left of the thousands digit? The place to the left is the 10,000s place. Write this number in standard form. 72,402. 72,402. The answer is 72,402. Make sure you don't get tricked up since there's no words for the tens place because there's actually 0 in that place, but you need to have that 0 in there to get over to the ones place. Next, compare these numbers, 42,583 and 42,538. So compare them, greater than, less than, or equal to. 42,583 and 42,538. It is greater than. 42,583 is greater than 42,538. What rule is being followed in this pattern? 17,952, 17,852, 17,752, 17,652. So which place value is changing here and by how much? Okay, the answer is subtract 100. So the hundreds place is going down by 100 each time. Let's just work our way over. What would 30 less than 956,874 be? 30 less than. And the answer is 956,844. So the value of the 3 is in the tens place. So we're going to find the tens place in this number and do 3 less or 30 less. Create a number. Use those same digits, 2, 4, 0, 6, and 9, to make the least odd number that you can, but do not start with a 0. So this number has to be odd, so think about what it has to end with, and it cannot start with 0. Okay, and the answer is 20,469. So right away we would know that it has to end with a 9 because that's the only odd number we have here. And then the lowest number for it to start with other than 0 was the 2. So we needed 20,469. Write 102,007 in expanded form. 102,007 in expanded form. Okay, the answer is 100,000 plus 2,000 plus 7. So it doesn't look very long, but because so many of the places had a value of 0 in this number, you don't have to include those in the expanded form. Last one, names for 100. What is the place to the right of the tens place? So if you're looking at a number on a paper, what number is directly to the right of the tens place? Okay, the answer is, what is the ones? What is the ones place? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and stop sharing my screen. So feel free to email me what your score was. I'd love to know how many you got on that Jeopardy game. And then your assignment today is this paper. And I'm so sorry, I noticed on some of these pages that some of the numbers got cut off, and I certainly didn't mean to do that. But if you have questions about what it is, or if you can't get it filled in yourself, email me and I can let you know for sure what that is. So this one right here, number 5, is which number is the same as 2,625,402? So that 2 got a little bit cut off there. So if you have any other questions on this, let me know. And we'll see you for some more math videos next week.